So yes, we are going to build an application which uses API, web API to be precise. So it would load out the anime list from the data, the API URL that we would provide it. For this purpose, we are using this API from this website. I found this website from a GitHub repository. I would try to link it in the file which I would provide as a zip to download. So this is nothing but just an unofficial MyAnimeList API. So you don't require any authentication, although we would work with those kind of APIs as well in the future classes, like how to do authentication and then use API key and stuff. But for this purpose, we are just going to use this API. So it has several sections, but for our convenience, I've used this top one. So like it, you can see the description is here. So it returns a filter of top list of type. So for the type purpose, we are using anime. We would like, I would tell you in detail also like how we can change separate terms as well later in the video. So yeah, so for like just generalizing things, we would be using the type anime, and inside which you can see that I just called the resource and it lists out the stuff. So these are the top movies that it has shown to us. So in the next video I would show you like how we can duplicate this kind of behavior inside our app. So like by creating a structure, as you can see that this is an array which has elements of this data type, right? This is a whole one element of the array. So one element like this cannot be created like the generic types string or integer. It's obviously can be created by using structures. So hence we will create a structure which would like show represent this kind of a data type, right? And obviously that would all be inside an array which would be named top. I'll tell you more in detail in the next class. So yes, the application would be quite simple, like the user can just open it as you may have seen in the introduction as well. So this is the basic planning stage for that. So the user would just open it and it would have few options at the top, like he would be able to choose the page number or the filter the category. As I told you also, here you can see that it has like 6 categories, and those combining manga and anime, including these two, 8 in total actually. So yeah, it says that it has 50 pages for each of the results, but I think that would be too much. So we can limit it to 6-7 pages, I guess. It would be worthwhile for testing our API skills. Yeah, so the application would all be done inside one view only. I could have stretched it into another view using class with observable object and stuff, but I think this would be worth it. And you would learn lots of new things here. You would learn how to deal with web APIs, JSON decoding and stuff, the function that we need to write, and how to create our structures. So everything I would teach you in this class only.